Hello, my name is Patricia DeFonte, and I have a PhD in paranoia. That is an unofficial PhD, and my clients conferred it upon me because I am relentless. You would think that I would be happy once my clients sign their estate plans, and I am. I'm thrilled for them, but I'm still worried. I'm worried about their parents. I'm worried about the guardians. I'm worried about their siblings. I'm worried about their successors and agents. I want to make sure that every single person in my client's life has an estate plan. Why? I don't want my clients having to go to Wisconsin to have their mother conserved because mom didn't have an advanced healthcare directive or a durable power of attorney. I don't want my clients to rely on successors and agents who are not organized in their own lives, who haven't taken the time to create an estate plan, who might then be put in a position to understand their estate plan. My name is Patricia DeFonte. My firm is Fonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. We work with clients on Zoom all over California, and this month is Estate Planning Awareness Month. Tell 2 friends. Thank you.